Okay. So I'm just going to put these up really quick because I didn't press record right away, so you can go ahead and pause if you're watching this video after the fact. This is what the health insurance definition was. Again, pause if you need it. Pause, pause, pause. You did it. Okay, and then on the back side, we've got deductible and payroll deduction. Again, pause if you need it. Yay! All right, moving on. So, today on this worksheet, I'm going to do a lot of problems with you. Sound good? Okay. So if you are at home and you don't have this worksheet printed off, then all you need to do is just write down these problem numbers. I don't mind at home if this stuff is out of order, okay? All right. So, I know this seems boring, but it's actually super helpful, so I hope you're paying attention to this. So let's say your medical bill is $475. Is that a reasonable amount for a medical bill?
No.
What do you think would be more reasonable?
Well, I mean, I know like an ambulance is like $1,200.
Oh yeah, having an ambulance ride is very different than like, this would be something like, I went to my doctor because I had like a wart on my hand and then he froze it off and now I'm paying $475. If you have a surgery, you're looking more like at thousands of dollars, while an ambulance ride would probably be between $1,000 and $2,000, okay? A deductible amount. So remind me what a deductible is. That's how much?
That you pay.
That's how much you pay. So I'm gonna write you pay here. You pay the deductible. And then after the deductible, this company pays 80%. All right, so the first question is, we're gonna figure out how much is paid by the insurer and how much is paid by you, okay? So I'm gonna write my answer up here. We've got $475, right? And first thing I'm gonna do is subtract that 165 because I have to pay that no matter what, right? So make sure you have a calculator out. 475 minus 165 is 310. So far on the U category and the health insurance, we're definitely paying that 165, right? And now we've still got $310 to deal with. So how do we find out how much they pay? They're paying 80%, yeah?
Wouldn't you do 30,
No, you're right.
210 times 0.8.
Exactly. So you take that leftover amount here and we're going to multiply that by 80%. So $310 times 80% is, which is what, 0.8?
Yeah.
So $248. So they're going to pay $248 here. They're paying $248 out of what's left. And then how much are you going to pay out of what's left? What'd you say?
165.
Not just 165, but you also have to pay that other 20% of what's left. So to figure that out, you could either take 310 minus 248 and you pay the remainder, or you could take 310 times 240 times 0.2 in your calculator, 20%, right? Right, 62. So basically, first you paid 165, and then with what was left of the bill, you paid $62 and they paid 248. That is until you hit that max out of pocket, and then they pay for everything. Okay, so the amount paid by the insurer was what, $248? And the amount paid by you
Are we on?
was $227.
I'm on the wrong side, that's why.
Okay, so I don't want to rush you guys and make this happen too fast. So let's say that we're only going to do the front side of this worksheet tonight, which is 1 through 18. Okay, that's not too bad. So how about right now, just for practice, how about you guys try, why don't you try right now 5 and 6. So right now, take your time, try 5 and 6. See if you can figure it out. And I'll give prizes for this. P.S. This is a hard thing for adults to figure out. Honestly, ask somebody in college what a deductible. See if they know.
So then why are we doing
Because they're idiots. And you're smarter than that. Also, I was an idiot in college and I didn't know what a deductible was for a very long time, or a credit score, or any of those important things that you're supposed to know, so I'm hoping you guys know it.
that? Do you have life insurance like when you graduate high school?
Usually not. Usually you start having life insurance when you get older. I didn't have life insurance until, I think I got life insurance when I started here, and when I started here, I was 28, so. Before that, it's kind of like a risk. For a while, you're just like, I don't think I'm probably gonna end up dying before 28. If you are like 80 and don't have life insurance, uh-oh. Hope your family has enough money to take care of themselves when you're gone.
Or you found the key to immortality.
Or you found the key to immortality.
Oh my gosh, what am I doing with my life?
Everybody should be trying this problem right now.
I just need four.
I should be watching you guys trying this problem. James, you still there? Or did James just walk away from his camera? Uh-oh. How about you, Cadence? You still there? Yes, you are. Just James. Although James has a lovely view of, it looks like a poster of a wolf on his wall. That's very nice. Should I just talk for a really long time about what I see in his room until he shows up? You totally just support anybody getting teased, right? Is that right? Okay. James. Carly, do you have a question, or are you wanting to answer? Oh, there's James. Look at that. James came in quick from the side. James, were you doing your homework like on the other side of the room?
Yeah, I was just printing out the paper.
Oh, legit. Printing off an assignment. That's probably decent excuse. We're trying 5 and 6 right now, James. Okay, so Carly, do you have a question for me, or are you just raising your hand because you have an answer?
I have an answer.
Okay, everybody raise your hand digitally.